Well then guys, it's me, TFT, and yes, we are back. We're going to Whalley Old Road in Blackburn to try out a biryani place called Abhi's Biryani. Now for those of you who remember, we did a biryani place in Manchester on Dark Lane with a bit of a peculiar, really funny kind of review. But this place is ranking in at about 4.9, touching 5 stars on Google reviews, and I have heard nothing but good things about it. If you're wondering, guys, TFT is looking a bit younger, you are absolutely correct, because I have been dyeing my beard. It took about 10 years off me, and to my good friend Elvis, who lent me these sunglasses, thank you very much. Because you know what, guys at home, there's always one friend who says to you, can I borrow it just for a day? I'll give it back tomorrow. But you know what, you never see that damn thing again. That's the kind of guy I am. Elvis, thank you very much. Here we are, guys. Abhi's Biryani. You got shakes, kebab rolls, masala fish, chicken tikkas, chicken biryani and lamb biryani. We've done quite a couple of chicken biryanis on the channel, so I'm thinking maybe today let's try out some lamb biryani. So that's what we're going to go for. Whalley Old Road, the very famous clock tower as you're going into Blackburn, as you're going on to Whalley Range. Let's get inside and check it out. Assalamu alaikum, brother. How are you? Okay?
Yeah, okay.
How are you doing? Is it okay to do order some food and do a food review for my channel?
Yeah. Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah.
Do you take card?
Yeah, we'll take one.
Fantastic. Can I have a look at your menu, please, sir? Okay, what's your speciality, my brother? What's your main dish that you are famous for?
We have lamb biryani, chicken biryani, but lamb biryani is short now. So we have chicken biryani.
What, there's no lamb biryani?
There is no lamb.
Oh, no way, serious?
But it's
So what else do you recommend?
chicken biryani, masala fish, chicken seekh kebab,
So,
sauce.
so you recommend all these, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, right guys, time for plan B, because they're all out of lamb biryani. Is there any reason why? Did they sell well? What time did you open up?
Yeah, this is sell fastly.
They sell fast. What time did you open?
We open 11 a.m.
So it's sold out already. So what do you
Yeah.
got, 12? Oh.
So we ordered, they are coming.
Right, so it's, the lamb biryani is coming.
Yeah.
So it gets made elsewhere, brought here. Okay, I understand. I'll tell you what we're going to try. Let's try some masala fish, please.
Yeah.
We're going to try 7 pieces of that. And the chicken sheesh, do they come in naan bread or do they just come as their own?
Chicken seekh kebab.
Yeah, do they come with the naan bread or just the chicken sheesh?
With naan and with naan its price is 395, or without naan is.
Ah, right, so I'm paying separate for the naan. Okay, let's try that then. Sold out of lamb biryani, guys. I'm a bit disappointed because I was really looking forward to that. 10:45, there we go, brother. Paying by card. Okay, no problem. 5 to 6 minutes, £10.45. We got ourselves the masala fish, 7 pieces of, and we're going to get 2 seekh kebabs with a naan bread and a tin of Rubicon. £10. It remains to be seen whether or not the price I've paid is going to be worth it. Bit disappointed. I wanted lamb biryani, but I would have gone ahead and done another chicken biryani one. But how many chicken biryanis am I going to do? I've done so many chicken biryani reviews in the past. Let's mix it up and let's try something different. We're going to be waiting on that masala fish and the chicken seekh kebab. Guys, don't forget, all you got to do to support the channel is click that like button. Really support and help us get along. Only if you like the channel. Okay? We just topped the 21,000 mark. We're looking now very eagerly towards that 30,000 mark. Thank you very much, guys, for all of you for watching and liking. But in the meantime, a bit disappointment that there's no lamb biryani, but who knows? Maybe the masala fish and that chicken seekh kebabs are gonna hold some sort of surprises. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Fantastic. Oh, here we are. I wasn't expecting it to come out like this. I'm liking it. I'm liking the packaging. Abhi's. This must be the naan bread, I'm guessing. Or is this the seekh kebabs? We shall find out. Oh, there we are. They are. It's the seekh kebabs. You're gonna get them 2 seeks in that naan bread. He's added the salad and the sauce. $2.95 plus the naan bread. It's going to cost you $3.95. A bit like what we did at Spice of Asia, but with that one you got 3 seekh kebabs and it was £4. And then you got the pieces of masala fish. This is going to be costing you $5.95 for 7 pieces of masala fish. Let's start off with the fish. Why don't we? It's nice, it's warm. Decent.
It is the fish, you don't like it.
What is that?
This is the masala.
Masala, okay. Okay, it's brought some masala as well. You're going to get sauces with the food as well, chili and garlic. The masala fish, recently we've been reviewing them and we've been coming across really thin batters. This one is a lot more chunky, a bit more crispy batter. A lot of flavor on that batter. The fish smells fresh, really does smell fresh. That masala fish does taste absolutely supreme. I'm just thinking now, I wonder what that lamb biryani would have tasted like, because that lamb biryani is their main dish. And if this is like a second option, fantastic. Really, really enjoying that fish. The naan bread, I'm not too sure whether the naans are fresh. I don't know whether they heated up, but let's try them out. Very nice, soft, gentle, cloudy texture to that naan bread. Not really yeasty, not really heavy. It's light and it's fluffy. Now, have a look at the seekh kebab. I think they've just been warmed up and been put in a naan. Decent. For £3.95, you can't really complain. Maybe reduce down on the sauce. Maybe have the option, what sauce would you like on it? Garlic and chili, or just chili on its own. I wasn't given the option. But the naan bread works well with that seekh kebab. Nice, for £3.95. He brought out some of this masala and told me to put it on my fish. So let's see what, let's try it out. Oops. See what that does to the fish. That tastes absolutely fantastic. I'm going to dip it in the garlic. Have a look at their sauces. That tastes amazing. Really does. The chili, if I can get it open. Let's tip a bit of naan in here. Oof. That chili tastes cheap and cheerful. It really does. It's like one of those bottled stuff what you get at the shops. But not a bad place, not a bad effort. Quick rundown. Masala fish for me, absolutely amazing. Really nice, crispy batter, nice, soft, warm, soothing, tasty masala fish in the middle. The naan breads, when I first saw them, I thought, oh my God, here we go. Frozen naan breads warmed up. But you know what? They're really soft, really fluffy, and they are light as well. The seekh kebab, pretty standard, what you'd probably get from any run-of-the-mill takeaway if you want a seekh kebab roll. I think it's just there to fill up the menu. Garlic was decent, chili not so. A bit of a mixed bag. For me, it's going to be a very respectable 8.5. The place is nice, it's clean, quick service, hospitable. One of those quiet places if you want to just get away out of the hustle and the bustle. Want to come down here and try out their biryani. The time is only, what, nearly 2 o'clock, 2:30. They open up at 11 and they've already sold out of lamb biryani. So that tells you what sort of rush they must get when that lamb biryani comes in. Now, next time I'm in Blackburn, I will definitely be back to try out their lamb biryani. Don't forget, if you want to support the channel, all you got to do is hit that like button. Simple as that. Maybe drop us a comment Share the content if you like it, and if you're feeling really strong and you're feeling really durable, why not subscribe to TFT and help us get to that 30,000 mark. Guys, only one more thing left to say to everybody in my favourite town of Blackburn, to the hundreds of thousands of you watching across the world. You guys have all officially been Food Troll certified, and me and Martina Rubicon sat at Abby's Biryani. We'll see you for the next one. Allah Hafiz. Jazakallah, thank you. Right then, guys. Here we have it. Oops. Pull TFT, pull. There we have it. Abby's Biryani, Whalley Old Road. What he did say was that the lamb biryani comes in fresh, and they only get enough to last a day. But to be fair, it's only been 2 or 3 hours since they've opened and it's sold out already. I did say, look, maybe keep some more in stock. But he said the reason they don't do that is because they don't want to get it, get outdated. They like to sell it out fresh. But they've still got, a chunk of the day to go. They've still got so much sale to do. He said it'll be here in half an hour. But you know what? That was no good to me. But not too bad. Enjoyed it. So, on to the next one.